Assalamu alaikum, how are you guys? I'm Aminur from NewTech, and if you play the PUBG mobile on your PC, then you probably face this problem, which is the error code 5547622241. Or it will say this, you have to connect another network. So if you have the access with the other network or another Wi-Fi, go and connect on that network and try to open the PUBG. It will definitely work. Or if you are facing the problems like me, only one internet connection on the home which is connected to the router, you should take help of VPN. What VPN works, VPN helps to change your global position, and that will work. I don't know how, but it solves this problem. So in this video, we're gonna how to install the VPN and how to fix it. Before we get started, I suggest you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we posted the awesome new videos. If you among this 171%, you're awesome, man. So let's get to the computer. Alright, so let me show you the problem, what exactly problem I'm facing right now. I have opened the Tencent Gaming Buddy and open the PUBG Mobile on my PC. Okay, I'm doing a little time slap because it took too much time. Yeah, so here's the problem: unable to connect to the server. Please try different network or great Wi-Fi access to the game in the settings. Error code 5547622241. It's just stuck here, the game stuck here. This is the problem. We're gonna find out the solution. Let's close all the apps. Now we need a VPN, like a computer network VPN. So we have to download an application, obviously. So what I'm going to do, just download Winscribe. So I have to open web browser and write Winscribe. It's a free VPN software which give you 10 GB free VPN every week. It's good, we don't need that much VPN. Okay, Winscribe, free VPN and ad blocker. Click the first link. Yeah, it's free, that's why I like this one and I suggest this. Download for the Windows. You can also download it for the extension, like it will be here, but we're gonna need for the Windows because it's a computer VPN. We need a computer VPN. So download and choose whatever you want. So guys, you must know how to download and install. It's really easy. As you can see, it's downloading. Okay, let's wait. Yeah, it's only 16 GB, so it's not taking much space on your disk. Only 16 GB, okay. Alright, we have to install it. Download is complete. Yeah. Recommend it, install it. Yeah, it's finished. Let's open the VPN software right now. Yeah, as you can see, the Winscribe. Awesome. These are the server you can connect as VPN on your computer. So we're gonna go with the default one, no problem. South America, Turkey, India. Okay, a huge number. Okay, we're gonna go to with the default one and switch on like a microwave. The switch is really nice, I like it. It's like turning on like microwave. Yeah, you are connected to the Winscribe. Okay, let's now open the PUBG. Okay, Okay, here's come the PUBG. Let me do another time lapse. Yeah, as you can see, it's downloading resource, download complete. Bam, man. No problem. I suggest you to keep this VPN and just turn off, and when another update will come, you will face the same problem, so you can take help from the VPN. No need to download, install again and again. Just keep that VPN turn off, and when this problem will arrive, you can turn on the VPN and solve this problem. Yeah, as you can see, I am on the game right now. I can do everything. The game is up to date. Yeah, so you have seen how easy that is. I have already shown you which VPN is works really good for your computer. I suggest you to keep that VPN because their size is really small. Go check my other videos and please subscribe to our channel.